So hey geeks, this is Karthik and welcome back to Codolearn. So guys, in the previously video we have discussed about what are lambda functions in Python, and in this video we are going to learn something new in Python which is called the join function. So before getting late, let's get started. So guys, as usual, let's open a Visual Studio Code and then create a new file, and that file name gonna be join func.py and press enter. And then guys, let's know, I just mean guys, before writing some codes we have some knowledge about what is join function. So guys, basically join method is a string method and returns a string in which the elements of sequence have been joined by str separators. So guys, basically the join function in Python joins two strings together. And now guys, some parameters. So guys, the join method takes iterable object and capable of returning its members at a time. And guys, the second one is return value. The join method returns a string concatenated with the elements of iterable. And now guys, the third one, type error. So guys, if the iterable contains any non-string values, it raises a type error exception. So guys, we can join two strs which is string by doing this. So first of all, I will create a list. So I will type my list is equal to, and then I will type David, and then I will type Trevor, and then I will type Zoe, and I will type Codolearn. And guys, Ctrl S to save. And guys, let's print our list. So we have to type print list and then run this. So you can see guys, our list is printed. And after that guys, you have to add a for loop, and inside that you have to type for item in my list underscore my underscore list, and then guys you have to type print and you have to type item, something like this. And guys, you have to type a comma and you have to type and guys, now Ctrl S to save, and let me clear out this and again run this. So you can see guys, David and Trevor and Zoe and Codolearn is printed, but a new line is also printed with these. So guys, for removing that you have to type comma and you have to type end, and then you have to type space, and now run this. So you can see guys, David and Trevor and Zoe and Codolearn is printed. So guys, we can do this by using join function. So guys, let's see. So first of all, let me comment out this, and after that I will type, and you have to type join underscore and is equal to something like this. And guys, you have to type this, something like this, and Ctrl S to save. And after that guys, you have to type join and something like this, and you have to type is equal to join and then you have to type the list name. So in this case, the list name is my underscore list. And now guys, let's run our program. So you can see guys, there's an error. Oh guys, the error is you have to type the join function, which is main in this tutorial, which is the main topic in this tutorial. And after that guys, let's run our program. You can see guys, nothing is happened. So guys, you have to type print, and then you have to type join and Ctrl S to save, and again run this. So you can see guys, David and Trevor and Zoe and Codolearn is printed. And guys, in the previously for loop example, you can see after the Codolearn an extra and is printed, but in this case the extra and is removed by the join function. So guys, I hope you understand this join function very clearly, and guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So guys, for that, bye bye, see you later, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So bye bye.